Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm going to discuss about platform analytics lab section. Okay, this is our second video of platform analytics, which is the last one. So in this video, we are going to discuss on uh, open and investigate the platform analytics workspace. Use the visualization designer to create standard visualizations. Develop your first dashboard in the analytics center and add some of the visualizations or any other data to it. Okay, so these are the three steps we are going to do in our in this video. Okay, so let's explore all these options. Okay, log into your instance. Log into your ServiceNow instance and access the Next Experience user interface. In the navigator, type platform analytics. Okay, so you will see the platform analytics center, and these are the components like dashboard, data visualizations, KPIs, filters, schedule, export, all these things. Okay, so now we are going to explore analytics center. Okay, let's click on analytics center. While on the landing page of the analytics center, so you see here some NLU constructed. Okay, so in our last video we tried, but we are getting some error because the NLU is not working in the demo instances. So only your customer instances will be working, I think. So that's the reason. The dashboards, so you can see what all the how many are bookmarked, how many are certified dashboards are there. Okay, in the data visualizations, okay, what bookmarked, you can see one bookmarked and certified. So there are no certified data visualizations. Okay, so in the okay, so like that, if you click on dashboards, okay, you can see all the dashboards here. Okay, and shared with you dashboards owned by me. That means that created created by whom, like whoever login person. So there's if those login persons are created any dashboards, they can see it here. Certified dashboards, bookmark dashboards, recent dashboards. Okay, or you can search your dashboard here. For example, I will try to search the manager dashboards. Okay, manager dashboard. Okay, search it, so you will get it. Okay, you can also search. Okay, filter by name or owner is system administrator. For example, if I there is a bug, I think, if I remove. Okay, so let me search with anyone. So I don't see any owner name here. So because I want to show you the by searching the owner name also. Okay, let's search with system administrator. Okay, so let's see. So these are the owners, all the owners, you will get it. Okay, so yeah, you can remove it and search it again and you will get it. Okay, so these are the okay dashboards. Okay, and also if I click on data visualizations, same. Okay, all shared with me, owned by me, certified. Okay, bookmarked dashboard with data visualizations, all these things. And the KPIs also you can see the same thing. Okay, but only created by me and bookmarked. The KPIs will be available. Okay, so all these are performance analytics KPIs, all these things. Okay, and the filters, you can see what all the filters available. So there are no new any filters available. You can get it outside. How can I use these filters? So I will show you in the presentation. Okay, in the demo. Okay, schedule export. So if there are any schedule exports, you can see it and you can refresh it here. Okay, so let's go to our analytics center. Okay, analytics center. See, this is use of natural language query. Okay, in this section, okay, let us find a bit more about data in your instance. Okay, so for example, if I select active incidents, okay, ask. Okay, active incident and ask button to discover how many active incidents that are there. Okay, so once it is loaded, I'm not sure it will work in the demo instances. Okay, yeah, yeah, so it is how. Okay, so generally it gives you here the table name and the condition here, and here in the down, down it will give you the list of the data. Okay, so if you search, you can search like, if you search like critical incidents by state or something else. Okay, um, so it confirms that the application perform a query against the incident table, okay, and records the one critical priority and group them by state. Okay, so now here it is not displaying because this is okay, and you can explore more by active incidents by category, active incidents by priority as by, okay, critical changes as all these things. Okay, and also if I type a number of, let me go back and go back here. Okay, so if I type number of uh, open incidents. Okay, so if I type number of open incidents, it is an indicator. Okay, so it is an indicator and it shows you, the indicator list. It shows me the indicator, but here in my instance, there is no performance analytics data jobs are running. So that's the reason I get no data available. But if you are using the performance analytics in your customer instance and you are getting the data, so you will get the data here. Okay, so yeah, sorry about that. I don't have data to show you. Yeah. So yeah. So now what we are going to do? So now we are going to create a new visualizations in Visualization Designer. Okay, so you can click on Create New Visualizations here. So it will redirect to your visualization designer page, or you can click on data visualizations, and from here also you can click on new. It opens same thing. Okay, same thing. It opens the same thing. So now you can search what type of visualizations you are going to create. Okay, so let's create an area visualization type. Okay, area visualization type. You can see no content available now here. Okay, um, in okay, so here we are going to create a incidence trend. Okay, by month. What is the incident trends by month or this? Okay, so we will type. So here you can see there are header and border sections, a data section, presentation section, and the chart interaction section. So there are 4 sections available. Total 5 sections. One, it is configuration, that is visualization type. Okay, so the remaining 4 are like header and border. Okay, data, presentation, chart interaction. Okay, all these kind of things. You can see it. Okay. In the header border, okay, here show header. Okay, if you want to show header here, you can type it. Or if like for example, if you don't want to show header, nothing is coming here. Okay, show header. The chart title, I have to type like new incidents by month. Okay, so new incidents by month. Okay, so if I click on this one, so you will get it. Okay, show header separator. If I click on this one, you can see one line here. Okay, you can see the one line. So that is a new incidents by, okay, month. And Okay. So description, what is the description? So it's a uh, so incidents trended by the month they were created. So incident trended by the month they were created. You can type a description. So once you enter, so then you will get a description. There is an I symbol. So when you click on I, so incident trended by the month they were created. You can see it. So you can wrap the title. What is a wrap the title? Okay. So if you have some bigger text like new incidents in the chart title, okay. For example, if I copy paste, okay, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. So you can see there are a lot of big text. If I wrap the title, so it will show you exactly what it is. Okay, so like that. Okay, so let's remove it. Okay, show border means that is show border. Uh, okay, so you can see that the show border, what it does. So you will not have a show borders here. Okay, so barrier. So you can click on show borders. You can see the borders available. If no border available. Okay, so show border. So that is about header and border configurations. So let's minimize it. So we are done with header and border and data now. Okay, so here the data. Here we need to define the data source, like which table and what is the data you need to show here. Okay, so from which table or which indicator you need to show all these things. Okay, and what is the condition of the data? So all these things. Okay, so let's add the data source here. Okay, so it goes to the add data source here. Okay, you can select a source here. Okay, so you can select the source tables, indicators, and user experience analytics. Okay, so for example, I want to show incident. I want to take a incident table. So my table is incident. Okay, so here incident, and you can see the incident. If you indicators from the incidents will be available, and tables from the incident is available. So if I click on an incident, okay, so my condition is active is true. Okay, so there are some predefined conditions available. So incidents open, okay, incident close, incident resolved, anything. So if you don't want to see predefined conditions, you can put your own condition like active is true. Okay, active is true, and you can have some new condition sets also. Okay, you can see the preview record list like 978. Okay, and run. Okay, so 943 records are there. Okay, now we have data source. Okay, now add this source. Okay, now we add this source. So automatically the data will be loaded. So this is an area visualization. Okay, so we have so here there is it will not save automatically, so you need to save automatically like this. Okay, so let's name like incidents monthly incidents trend or something like that. Okay, incidents incidents. Okay, so something like that you can save it, so you can see you have saved your changes. Okay, you have saved your changes. Now here if you comes down, okay, here you comes down, so select the trending. This is metric. Okay, count. Okay, so this is a metric, so we can see the how much count it is there. Okay, so nothing to do about this one. So if The format values we can see in other example. How do we format all these things? Okay, so okay, group also we can see other in other examples. Okay, so let's trend by what is trend by. So we trend by month. Okay, so what is by means created field. Okay, created, how created, based on the created, so it will run it. So you can see the data here. Okay, you can see the data here. Okay, due to the nature of the data, most of the incidents have created in the past month. Okay, so now I will save it. Okay, so now I will save it. Okay, so this is a trend by. Okay, so if you have additional settings, okay, you can click on data update. Okay, follow filter, show filter icon, enable drill down. Okay, so if I click on this one, it will go to, okay, refresh after a way of X minutes. For every X minutes, it will no data message, set custom message when no data. Okay, so when you have no data not available, okay, there are no scores available for this criteria content, okay, or vertical centered or horizontal, so you can give it. Okay, if no data is available. So presentation mode, so let me minimize the data mode. Okay, so in the presentation mode, there are display settings. So line stroke width is, this width is like a 2 pixel. So if you want 1 pixel, I can. Okay, so it's like a kind of a bold or not bold or something like that. Okay, display tooltip means so it will display the tooltip. Okay, and it will display tooltip. If not, then it will not display the tooltip. So you can see remove tooltips on hover. Okay, so disable tooltips. So it will not show you on hover data. Okay, if I uncheck, so I can see April 2024, 860 or like that. Okay, so that is. And y-axis, like hide primary axis, hide primary axis. If I click on hide primary axis, so I can hide primary axis. Okay, so primary axis title. So if you want, I can title as count. Okay, count count. So you can see a title, you got it. Okay, primary X range. So I want to see X range from 200. Okay, so now you can see it starts from 200. Okay, it starts from 200 or something. X range to like 900. Okay, or 90 or 900. Okay, you can see if I put 90, so I can visibly see the data here in the past month. Or if I put like 30, so I see the data here exactly. Okay, so like that. Okay, or something like that. I will remove it. Okay, primary axis position is left. If you want right, you can add right. Okay, if you want left, you can add left. Okay, axis style standard. Clean means you can see there is nothing line. Okay, no thickness line. Okay, you can see there no thick lines. Standard means like you will have standard. Okay, so x-axis title, you can add x-axis title here. Okay, so date or something. Okay, date. Show grid. So you can see the grid lines here. Okay, if not, you can. Okay, so minimize it. A legend means this one. So you can see these are the incidents. Okay, so if I remove, so there is no legend. If I click on legend, so there is legend. Show legend value, so I can see the legend value here. Okay, the legend value. So if I click, see, if I hover 860, the legend value is 860. Okay, so it will based on the legend. Okay, so legend position below, above. Here you can add above. Okay, or right here, wherever it is. Okay, so horizontal alignment at the end or um, at the center or at the start. Okay, maximum legend width like 2 pixel, 200 pixel, 2000 pixel, or something like that. You can add it. Okay, so remove it. Expand legend vertically. Okay, so this is an option to expand legend vertically like this. Okay, so that is about legend. So data label, so show data labels. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 14, and here it is like 860. That is more here. It is not showing here. Okay, so we can see, and colors you can put default colors or color palette, uh, light or green or something like that. Which color you want, you can select. Okay, so that is about presentation of the data. So if I click on chart action, okay, allow chart interaction. For example, if I click on this one, it will redirect me to okay, incident data. Go back. Okay, go back. Let me save it. Okay, if I did not save, and then if I want to click on go to URL, so for example, if I want to go to URL to google.com in, okay, so I can put, and page name is Google or something like that. Okay, so let me save it now. So let me save it. Okay, so now if I click on, so you can see google.com, it will open. Okay, so that's how we can create an data visualizations. So how to add the dashboards, we will see in some time. Let's create some of the visualizations, some more visualizations, 2 to 3 visualizations we will add, and let's see it. Okay, so for example visualizations, we created area visualizations. Now we will, so if you want to bookmark this, okay, you can bookmark this visualization. So, okay, let me add this bookmark visualization. Okay, if I want to duplicate it, I can duplicate. Okay, I can share to whoever the groups. Okay, allow recipient to share. Okay, manage access, copy link, or everything. You can share it. Okay, if you want to export to PDF or PNG or JPEG or embedded PNG or letter format, download or send file via email. Okay, you can add attachments and you can format all these things. Okay, same as in report, and you can schedule it also actually. Okay, you can schedule it when you want to send this email, all these things you can schedule it. Okay, if you want to delete it, you can delete it. Okay, if you want to, I have added as an bookmark, so that's the reason. So how to add this is a certified ones. So if I click on detail section, so you can see the mark as certified. Okay, so requested by, you can see the, and owner you can put, and owner groups, if you have any groups you can add it. Okay, so let me mark as certified. See, you can see the certified, a badge is available here. Okay, and save it, and save it. So let's go to again data visualizations. Okay, so now you see bookmarked, you got monthly. Okay, and certified, you got one. Okay, so let's try to create another one. Okay, so now we will create some bar charts. Okay, so let's create some bar, vertical bar. Okay, let's create a vertical bar chart. And what is we are going to create? Chart title is like uh, incidents by category. Okay, let's create incidents by category. Okay, Description is like show header separator. Okay, let's add header separator also. Description like um, group incidents by category or something like that. We will add it. Okay, and show header, show bar. Okay, so let's minimize it. Header and border and data. Uh, Data in the data sources. Okay, we will add active true. Okay, so same thing. Incidents, incident table, suggested table. Okay, you got it. Active true, run it. Okay, so you will get the 943 and add this source. Okay, so here we will add count only. Okay, so here group by automatically. So because based on the name, it will pick it. Okay, based on the name, it will pick. Before it is not, it didn't pick up. Okay, it pick based on like the trend. Okay, based on trend. Okay, so incident by category it is saying. So that's the reason it is group by. You got it. Okay, so or visualization type also. Okay, vertical or trend or something group by. Okay, so now we will add category. See, category. So maximum number of groups are 10. Okay, or 15 or 20, whatever it is. Okay, and apply it. So you will get it. You got it. Okay, so see the visualizations. So this is one. Okay, so I'm not going to explain everything because we already explained, so just I'm creating it. Okay, so these visualizations I will save it. Okay, so same, let's copy this incidents by category and save it, the visualization name as incidents by category. So I will not mark as this one as a bookmark. Okay, or okay, let's mark this as a bookmark. Okay, so let's add to bookmark. Okay, but I will not certify it. Okay, because to show you the difference how bookmark and how certified is validated in the dashboard, I will show you that one. Okay, so now go to again data visualizations and create a new. This is third one. Okay, last one we will create it. So under this data visualizations, we are trying to do some complex one now, like pivot table. Okay, so pivot table. So under header, we will select. I want to show the incidents. The business duration of incidents by category and priority. Business duration (BD). Okay, of incidents by category and priority. Okay, so let's copy the chart title into description, or if you don't want, you can. Okay, under the data, so business durations will be populated on closed incidents. So active is false. Okay, or you can define from incidents closed, active false condition automatically build, run it. 35 incidents are there. Add this data source. Okay, and now I will save this one. Okay, and BD incidents by category and something like that I will show you. Okay, so you see here count, it is there. So in the metric definitions in the data we got it. Okay, in the metric the incident count is there. Okay, click on this one. I will average business duration. Okay, so business duration. So you can see the average business duration. Okay, so you can see here 13 days, 12 hours, or something like that. Okay, so now I will set the formats. So use format. So it is format, it is showing. I want days and hours. Days and hours, that's it. Okay, 4 days and 4 hours. So it is reduced to like this. So group by, I will add one, it is category, and rows by, I will add priority P, priority. So you see here 0 hours, what all the average. Okay, you will get it here. You will get it. Okay, total average hours. Okay, business duration. So I can save now. I can save. I will not mark this one as an bookmark or certified. Okay, so uh, so let's now what we will do is we will create one dashboard. Okay, so we will create one dashboard, and let's see how do we add these dashboards, these visualizations to the dashboards. Okay, let's go to dashboards. So now I will create a new dashboards. So here, um, here you can see the dashboards are like when you click on create new dashboards. Okay, you will see here inline editor and technical editor. Okay, so we are going to cover in this video is inline editor. Technical editor is like, so we have some expert knowledge. So it goes to, UI pages, all these things. So that we will see some other advanced sections. Okay. So now here, okay, I will create as a manager of IMC or something dashboard. Okay. So I will not have any descriptions here, so I will not add anything. Okay, only the users with admin or UI builder admin roles, they can see this one. If you don't have a role, so they will not see this one. Okay, they cannot opt. Okay, they cannot opt. So now let's create a new dashboard. So it use it it redirects to my dashboard designer page. Okay, so here you can add new elements, or you can exist editing mode. Okay, so you can settings here. Okay, so the settings we will see later once. We will add. So add data visualizations. You have filter you can add heading, you can add image, you can add list simple, and you can add list text. So let's add some visualization. So new visualizations are saved visualizations. So what all the saved visualizations you have? Um, so let's try with NC Dent. So all three visualization, you can see certified, which one it is satisfied, which is not satisfied. Okay, so all these three visualizations I will add to the dashboard. Okay, so like this. Okay, so you can drag and draw, drag and drop. Okay, so okay, so you see here the drag and drop working here. Okay, so you can actually analyze, or you can put it as whatever the layout you want. Okay, whatever the layout you want, you can add it. You can add it. Okay, so this is how. Okay, so if you want to save it, okay, so you save changes to library or save changes only for this dashboard. Okay, only for this dashboard we will save it. Okay, and I will close this one and I can see it. Okay, so if I exit editing mode, so it will show me the how it is. Okay, so if I click on insights, so if I am using any indicators or any KPIs, so I can see the KPIs insights also. Okay, so if you want to edit it or if you want to preview, so who is dashboard visibility, platform analytics, experience. Okay, so usage not shaded. Okay, if you want to shade, you can shade it. And if I want to add bookmarks, I can bookmark it. Okay, if I want to add dashboard to certified dashboard, I think certified dashboards I cannot make it. I think here from here. Okay, so from here, remove it, clear all filters, shade, duplicate, open record, delete all these things. And if I editing mode, in editing mode, I can mark as certified. Okay, not from there. Okay, so here you can see all these things. Okay, who is the owner, all these things. Okay, and here in the settings, show refresh information, schedule repetitions, like when you want to schedule for every 10 minutes, or you can refresh it manually. Background color you can set. Okay, background colors you can set, or you can pick from the background color and save it. You can save it. Okay, show inside panel. If you have inside, you can see inside. If not inside, okay, trend KPIs, custom insights, predictive targets, all these things you will show it here. Okay, so I don't want insights. I'm not using any insight for this one. Okay, so that's settings. Okay, if you want to add a new tab, you can add it a new tab, tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, or something like that. Tab 1, tab 2. Okay, so tab 1, new tab 1, new tab, or something like that. Okay, so this is, and I cannot make it up, so it comes me here. And if I want to revert it, I cannot just you reload it because I did not save it. So maybe I can revert it back. Okay, so if I click on add tab, now it is coming again, add tab, add tab 2. And if I save it and exiting mode, so I can see what are the tab, tab 2, tab 3, or something like that. Okay, and edit it. Okay, so if I want to add element like heading, okay, so I want to add heading to here. Okay, let's minimize it. So I want to add heading here and heading like this. Okay, let's come like this. Let's save it and see it. Exit editing mode. So you see heading how it is. Same like you can add filter condition. So for example, new filter I will try to create. Okay, and I will try to bring it up here. Okay, so single select or multi select or date time or this one single select if you select. Okay, and fill or radio buttons fill. Okay, is enough. Data I will add source, data source. Okay, and table will select incident table. So because it is from incident all dashboards, so I will select as incident table and I will select as a priority. Okay, priority and apply. So configured data filter incident default value or anything you can add it. Okay, now save it. Now save it and exit editing mode. And I did not label it, so I can, if I see select and apply, so I will see only the priorities data. Okay, so it will apply to all the ones. If you don't want this to be apply, okay, so you can click its label is applied. Okay, so you can click edit mode, and from here data visualization configure, you can click on configure, and you don't want to follow data update, so follow filters, show filter icon, enable drill down. If you don't want to follow, so it will show you all the data. Okay, if you want to follow the filter, you can follow. Okay, so like that you can select. So this how. Now let's go to our platform analytics center. Platform analytics center. So here you can see what is bookmarked. Okay, and what is certified. I did not certify the dashboard. Okay, so what is bookmarked? Here you can see the bookmarked. And certified, I can see one certified. So if I go to data visualizations, so I can see here all these things. Certified, I can see certified or bookmarked. Okay, so if I go to analytics center again, okay, so if this dashboard, I will edit mode and click on this one, and click on I and mark as certified and save it. Okay, and if I go to again analytics center, certified, you can see certified button. Okay, so that's all about this platform analytics. Okay, so this is how it works, and you can create a data visualizations, dashboards, all kind of things, and you can see everything from here. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.